Here's the truth about creating your own product. It is hella expensive. And let me break down the math for you. So first of all, what my goal is, I want to help as many people as possible be able to become digital nomads, be able to work from anywhere in the world, travel, and just live the amazing lifestyle that I get to do. And I want to share that with everyone too. So I decided I would start creating some products to help digital nomads on the way, make everything as easy as possible. I want to start with creating a filtering water bottle to help you have safe, reliable, clean drinking water wherever you go, because water can be very iffy at some places, and so we just want to avoid that altogether. So what I started doing is I started reaching out to manufacturers, which is what would do if you're going to create a product. So I reached out to tons of manufacturers, even hired somebody who was a product sourcer to help me find the manufacturers for me. And what I got told was, oh, we don't do that. I don't think we can do it. That doesn't seem possible. I'm not sure how we can do it. We're unwilling to accommodate. What? I thought the whole point of product manufacturers were for them to manufacture your product for you. But they only had their set ways of doing that. They tell me, oh, we don't do that. Okay, so I had to go back to the drawing board. And then what I realized is I need a product designer to help me design the product, get a prototype, so that I can give to the manufacturers to then create. So I set up with a meeting with a product designer developer last week, and boy, was I in for one. So first of all, what they told me is the onboarding fee. First, you have them to go in, take on the project, try and figure out how it would be possible to manufacture. And the onboarding fee is $5,000 just for them to tell you if your idea is valid, if they can help you out, if it's going to work. The next step is to get it developed. So this is where they start doing the engineering, figure out how it's going to work, put the pieces together, and build you out a prototype. This costs anywhere between $10,000 and $40,000. And then the third step is you need to purchase a certain amount. You have a minimum order quantity that you need to buy, which is usually about 1,000 pieces. So I was really in shock. I did not realize that's how much it costs to create a product. So I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board and try and figure this out. I am not giving up yet, but I might just have to detour a little bit. And the other thing I was thinking about doing is they talk about, Kickstarter your product. Well, they told me that you also need to have a functioning working prototype to be able to launch a Kickstarter. So that needs about $50,000 before I can even get into a Kickstarter to help me raise money to fund the product. So that's kind of where I'm at right now, in a little bit of a pickle. But don't worry, we ain't gonna give up. I'm not a quitter, so I just got to, do some brainstorming and figure it out. But I will keep you guys all updated and informed. In the meantime, if you guys do want to become a digital nomad, be able to work from anywhere in the world and live the life of your dreams, then go check out the quiz in my bio, which will help you figure out what remote job could be best for you based on your skills, your interests, your passions, and it will come up with some customized suggestions. So go check that out and stay tuned.